This is the Lookeyz inventory page, the fastest way for you and your team to find any item your company owns. In this video, we'll search by item names, by plain words, and even by vehicle, and we'll use filters to answer real questions like what fits a job, what's in stock, and what needs a reorder. Let's start with the everyday case and do a quick search by typing B111, and the results appear as you type. Each card shows the item's photo and name, whether it's in stock, and the cost when the item is already part of your inventory. But you won't always have a specific reference, so search in your own words. Type deadbolt, and you get every deadbolt in the catalog. Add silver, and the list narrows to silver finishes. Add SC1, the keyway, and now you are looking exactly at SC1 silver deadbolt. And the words are easy to swap, change silver to gold, and the results update instantly. Every word you add makes the list smaller and more precise. Now let's bring in the filters, because filters work together with your search. Type knob, then set the category to residential to see home hardware only. Switching the category to commercial answers a different question with the same search. What do we carry for business doors? Next, something every locksmith deals with. Vehicle fitment. For automotive work, the vehicle filters are the tool you need. Open the vehicle search and select the make, Ford. Then the model, Escape. Then the year 2010. Lookeyz now shows everything that fits that vehicle. From here, narrow by product type. View the key blanks first, switch to the transponders, or check the tools that work with it. This is how you confirm what's on the van before driving to the job. Jobs change, and the filters keep up. Switch the year to 2018, filter to proximity keys, and pick the aftermarket condition when that's what the job needs. And when you need to know where the stock actually is, open the item details. Quantity is broken down by location, so you can see exactly which van, store, or warehouse is holding it. So far, every example started from the search box. But you can also browse without searching at all. Set the category to commercial, choose the product type locks, and you get a clean view of every commercial lock you already carry. That's useful when you're quoting a job and want to check your own stock first, and it's also helpful when you're not exactly sure what's needed for the job and want to explore your inventory to see what fits. And Lookeyz isn't only about keys and locks. Filter by tools, and the machines and equipment your company tracks live in the same system. Searchable the same way. One more habit worth building, checking what's missing. Search Hyundai, and the out-of-stock items stand out immediately. And when you're placing an order from your supplier and want to expand your stock, this helps you avoid buying items you already have. Instead, you can clearly see what's missing and spend your money on the right items that will help you be ready for more jobs. That's the inventory search. Names, plain words, vehicles, and filters. One screen that tells you what you have, where it is, and what to order next.